Hello, so it's 17th of May 2025. This is a small log about the replacement of my original Nissan Leaf battery. So this is a model from 2024, I believe it was around September. It was manufactured and the license plate is from December. So this battery should be late 2024 to late 2014, excuse me. So this means that this battery lasted for 10.5 years, which is pretty good, taking into account that no special care has been made. So this week the Leaf already complained about the battery. I could see that the voltage level was around 8 volts, so I did a little boost up, and during the weekend I am now doing the replacement. So as you can see now, the battery test tells me that the battery state of health is 23%, which is very low even for an electric car without a startup engine. But yeah, this is just to tell you that this original battery from 2014 of a Nissan Leaf lasted a bit longer than 10 years. Goodbye.